Django, how to create a file and save it to a model's file field. Here's my model. What I want to do is generate a new file and overwrite the existing one whenever a model instance is saved. I see lots of documentation about how to upload a file. But how do I generate a file, assign it to a model field and have Django store it in the right place?
You want to have a look at FileField and field file in the Django docs, and especially fieldfile.save. Basically, a field declared as a file field, when accessed, gives you an instance of class FileFile, which gives you several methods to interact with the underlying file. So, what you need to do is, where new_name is the file name you wish assigned and new_contents is the content of the file. Note that new_contents must be an instance of either django.core.files.file or django.core.files.base.content file. See given links to manual for the details. The two choices boil down to
accepted answer is certainly a good solution, but here is the way I went about generating a CSV and serving it from a view. Thought it was worthwhile putting this here as it took me a little bit of fiddling to get all the desirable behavior, overwrite existing file, storing to the right spot, not creating duplicate files etc. Django 1.4.1 Python 2.7.3
It's good practice to use a context manager or call close in case of exceptions during the file saving process. Could happen if your storage backend is down, etc. Any overwrite behavior should be configured in your storage backend. For example, S3Boto3 storage has a setting AWS_S3_file_overwrite. If you're using file system storage, you can write a custom mixin. You might also want to call the model save method instead of the FileField save method if you want any custom side effects to happen, like last updated timestamps. If that's the case, you can also set the name attribute of the file to the name of the file, which is relative to media_root. It defaults to the full path of the file, which can cause problems if you don't set it. See file._init_ and file.name. Here's an example where self is the model instance where my_file is the file field, image file, calling save on the whole model instance instead of just FileField.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.